The instructor in this video is Mark Y. Calabdan. He graduated at the University of San Carlos as a biologist and is currently finishing his doctorate degree in biology. Sir Mark will be demonstrating on how to prepare the medicinal plant for home remedy use. And the highlights of the video tutorial are as follows.
Guava, okay? And there's only one approved preparation for this. There are municipality or culture from the Philippines that will eat this in raw form. They'll just chew the leaves, but the one that is approved with known antiseptic property or antibacterial property, because notable of guavas is the leaves has antibacterial property, and it is used, its decoction form is used to cleanse open wounds, to reduce the risk of infection, bacterial infection. So it's just very easy, just like any other typical plants part. We just have to boil this in hot water, in boiling water, okay? And allow the decoction or allow the water to create. This gives a very distinct color apart from other plants that we have. It gives a distinct coloration, brownish to certain degree once it is properly boiled, okay? So boil it right away. It gives a distinct coloration, not the typical green, but it's a bit of the darker green. And as you can see, the coloration of the leaves, it changes from the green to yellowish, and then it will eventually become brownish later on. And it's beginning to show, okay? So we're now seeing a yellowish to yellow-brown coloration already, and that is very typical of your guava decoction. It gives this very distinct yellow-brown coloration in its solvent or its water, okay?
Brown ang leaves, no?
Brown ang leaves, and then let's slow down the fire. It's a very dark green color na, and it will eventually turn brown later on. It also has distinctive smell. Okay, I think that's it. Can I